Hello student, today we're gonna talk about symmetrical figure and line of symmetry. And we say that a figure has line of symmetry if it can be folded into two congruent parts that match exactly. The fold line is the line of symmetry.
Line to ride the Ferris wheel, a circular shape made out of steel. Before we ride, we try to decide where a circle's lines of symmetry hide.
Lines to the center have symmetry, so each circle has infinity. Each line, upon further inspection, creates a perfect mirror reflection.
Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry.
All around us.
At the pirate ship, we wait our turn. This ride can make our stomachs churn. A line from the axle to the ground is one line of symmetry to be found.
Identical parts facing each other have symmetry with one another. Lines of symmetry evenly divide. Let's find symmetry on every ride.
Now we will talk about the number of lines of symmetry for some geometrical figure, and we will start with equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry as shown. And isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry as shown, and rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry, and rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry as shown. Square has 4 lines of symmetry, and regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. Isosceles trapezium has 1 line of symmetry. Scalene triangle, trapezium and parallelogram has 0 line of symmetry. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, it is not line of symmetry because it not folded the figure into 2 congruent parts that match exactly. So that dotted line is not line of symmetry. Another example is a dotted line, a line of symmetry. That line is not line of symmetry because that line not folded the shape into 2 congruent parts that match exactly. Another example is the dot line is a line of symmetry. Yes, it's line of symmetry because folded figure to 2 congruent parts. Start with exercise on symmetric lesson. We have 4 shapes: square, hexagon, equilateral triangle and pentagon. We want to know what is the number of lines of symmetry for square. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. Equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry, and pentagon with 5 sides has 5 lines of symmetry. Let's start with another exercise on symmetric lesson. Example 1. Rhombus has lines of symmetry. Okay, stop video before answer, then complete. We knowing that rhombus has only 2 lines of symmetry. Another example, rectangle has lines of symmetry. We knowing that rectangle has only 2 lines of symmetry. Example number 3, isosceles trapezium has lines of symmetry. Isosceles trapezium has 1 line of symmetry. The last example, parallelogram has lines of symmetry. We knowing that scalene, triangle, trapezium and parallelogram has 0 lines of symmetry. Okay, thank you for watching.